If your dream wedding cake is made of Twinkies, well, this estate sale has the recipe for that, and the cookbook for it. This estate sale in Highland Park is an MCM/picker's dream, particularly if you're a member of Stitch a Bitch, Yarn and Yarn, or Knit and Natter. There's a Russell Woodard rose-crest patio set, and perhaps my favorite set of all time, a 1950s Maurizio Tempestini clamshell set. Then there's the wall units, the vintage barware, and a Danish ice bucket just made for serving the perfect cocktails. Shaken, of course, or stirred. For you crafters and sewers out there, there's a lot of vintage crafts from the 60s and 70s. Needlepoint canvases, crewel kits, Persian wool for needlepoint, latch hook rug kits, painting, knitting supplies, and more. And if the Crochet and Chat Club gets a run and disbands, you can just buy the vintage Hudson Bay 6-point blanket instead of trying to make one yourself. There's also plenty of vintage clothing from a Letterman jacket on down, mostly in larger sizes, as well as handbags. For entertainment, vinyl and books, no screens needed. And for those who are estate sale obsessed, the most perfect game of all, Bargain Hunter. This is the estate sale game of life. Come play. Sophia's Estate Sales, Highland Park, Saturday and Sunday. And follow Picardy for the best estate sales and your spot in line.